and welcome to another episode of The Voice of Innominion. And today we have a very special guest with us, Kiran, who charted his journey, data science journey with Innomatics Research Labs. I'll jump directly to the questions. You started as a trainee and now you are a mentor. Tell me about your data science journey.
Core subject we have the statistics, right? So I worked as a lecturer in the statistics also. So after that, I want to use my subject in some skills like software developing and everything. When I'm searching for the statistics core subject where we use, I found that data science is the best field actually. So I have a much subject in the statistics. So I wanted to decide. My transition into the data sciences will be better as a career.
So, from being a trainee to now being a subject matter expert, this has been a long journey, a long
Yes,
path
yes.
feeling.
When I joined in this Innomatics education company, I am a student. I am listening the classes by using these shares actually. So when I'm entering into the, as a trainer level, it's feel like something I learned and something I achieved something in my life. So that is actually great thing for me. This is IT sector. This mainly the course designed for the IT sector, right? So in the IT sector, the development is made by only the updations. So we need to see the skills like updated skills. Always it is updating skills, right? So when I started this journey as a data science in the Innomatics, so we have like the trainers are very good and the atmosphere also very well. Everything is fine for that. So in their situation, we don't have that many assignments on the project. When I enter into these training sessions and when I enter into the mentor as data science, we I know actually what are the challenges we have actually before. What are the outcomes I got as a student? So I know everything, right? So right from the beginning when I joined here, I started focusing on that actually. So we have to give some more assignments and some more practical sessions for the students which we and some more recaps also. The recaps also very important. A trainer is going to teach and the trainer work is completed, but the total work is depending upon the mentors. Like so, we have to give the recap for the sessions and physically and mentally we are with students actually. That is the main thing here. The changes we have made. In the situation, the mentors are not that much of communicated actually with us. So we are now here with 24/7 like morning 9 to evening 6 we are with the students. So what are the doubts they have will clarified here itself. That is the main thing changes by Innomatics actually. And also of course the training level always it's updations. I worked as a degree lecturer mentorship, right? So there we have the theory concepts actually, but here we have only the practical sessions, right? So for the practical sessions to understand those conceptual things and those practical things by the students, first of all we need to build the relation between the trainer and the students, then only they understand, right? So building the relationship with the students for the most important thing for a trainer or a teacher can do, right? So without a solid foundation and relationship built on trust and respect, no quality learning will happen definitely. So we are here to build up that type of scenario here. Then definitely the learning will happen by the students. So will here we taught the things like how to manage the skills, how to do the communication skills, how to learn the communication, how to build up the courage and everything we are learning. The teacher can do that only, right? So the teacher is not only for the subject matter, right? Everything should matter.
Now been 154 batches, going to be 155. So many placement stories and so many placements and so many success stories. How does it feel to be a part of that? Because you have actively and directly contributed to building the careers of several students. How is that? How does that feel?
When the students are in the training position, definitely the students having some low confidence and everything they have. So here we are here to build up that confidence and everything for every student. So when the student get any job or when the students have any career growth option or when the student transition from here to the others, it's extremely happy to us actually. Our what is the goal of us? It's by seeing we'll get that type of that kind of situations actually. So it's a very, very extremely, it is very happily thing.
If you would have to list your favorite moments being a mentor, be like about the Innomatics classroom as well as the office in general, what would you say as your favorite moments?
Favorite moment is maybe it is a lunchtime, especially it is a lunchtime. So the colleagues which we have, everyone are there at the lunchtime and we chit chat. So many departments we have, right? So like at uh, digital marketing team, BD team we have, and technical team we have. Every person at the initial days, the Vishwa sir and Kalpana madam also used to sit with us and doing lunch. That's a great thing in the initial days. And later on, it will chit-chatting with the other departments also. What is going on in what is going on in our educational company and everything. It's very very fine to us. That is the thing, and I will definitely miss that moment, the lunchtime. And also in the classroom wise, we use it to sit most of the time, most of the hours with the students only. Definitely, I will miss this atmosphere like students and trainer bonding and mentor bonding.
Since you're moving forward, you found another opportunity and you're leaving Innomatics, do you have any parting or farewell message for the entire Innomatics team?
I wanted to say I'm not leaving the Innomatics actually, leaving in the sense know the updations in IT skills, and that is the only thing changing in the leaving in the sense that I'm not leaving the Innomatics definitely. I'm as a student and as a mentor from the starting and a trainer in this institute. Definitely, I will, if there is a chance to take any other online classes, I will be here for them. Definitely, the backbone of the Innomatics. I'm sure it is. I'm not leaving the Innomatics sure like
Okay.
that, but I'll growth. It's nothing but a growth of my career, so that I want to change that.
I think on the behalf, I can say that in the behalf of the entire Innomatics team, I think words fall short to tell how proud we are. Thank you for your great spirit, and your good spirit is so infectious that you know it passes on to your colleagues and also your students. Thank you for taking out the time. Thank you for being such a strong backbone for our organization. And as you said, leaving is not the right word. You'll continue being a part of the family. Thank you,
Yes,
Kiran, for the time.
thank you, ma'am.